Have you ever said something like, "The dog chased the cat," and wondered why "the cat chased the dog" means something completely different, even though it uses the exact same words, or why "chased the dog the cat" sounds like total nonsense? Well, you've just stumbled into the fascinating world of syntax. So, what is syntax? In simple terms, it's the grammar police of language. It's the set of rules that governs how we arrange words to create meaningful sentences. Think of it like a recipe. You have all your ingredients, your words, but if you just throw them into a bowl in any random order, you're not going to get a delicious cake. You have to follow the steps, adding things in the right sequence. Syntax is that recipe for language. Every language has its own unique syntax. In English, we typically follow a subject-verb-object order. I love pizza. I, the subject, love the verb, pizza, the object. It's clear and simple, but in other languages like Japanese or Latin, the order can be different. They might put the verb at the very end of the sentence. So a Japanese speaker might literally say, "I pizza love." It sounds odd to us, but for them, it's perfectly normal because their syntactic rules are different. But syntax isn't just about word order. It's also about how words group together into phrases and clauses. Let's look at a classic example. The old man, the boat. Wait, that doesn't make sense, does it? But what if I told you man can also be a verb, as in to operate or staff something? Suddenly, the sentence, "The old man, the boat," becomes perfectly grammatical. It means the elderly people are the ones staffing the boat. Your brain initially got confused because it tried to apply the most common syntactic structure. This is why syntax is so cool. It's an invisible framework that we all use instinctively every single day without even thinking about it. When you learn a new language, a huge part of the challenge is mastering its syntax. It's not just about memorizing vocabulary, it's about learning a whole new way to structure your thoughts. The next time you hear a sentence that sounds a bit off, or you rearrange a sentence to make it clearer, you're being your own little linguist, playing with the building blocks of syntax. It's the hidden architecture that makes communication possible. Pretty amazing, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, give this video a like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of language. See you next time.